Ekuthula bandleni mfana kagama lo. Ladies and gentlemen, Pastor Nkasa Bakokona Bamkulu. I just want to say, guys, I appreciate your support, man. It has been a fantastic journey so far. Those who have been with me know I've started posting content on this YouTube channel since the 4th of February. So do the maths. Understand? So March, April, May, June. So it's been 4 months since I've started this YouTube channel. I've been posting every day for the past 4 months. And I just want to say that fatigue has caught up to me, guys. So therefore, this entire week I won't be posting anything. So we are next week. And Mangbuya reaction House of God. I just found out the album Mama PK. Listen, bruh, like it's insane. And wow. So please, guys, I'm a recommendation. Please, please do comment them on this video specifically or any other video that you will be watching. Please do comment them. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, man. And yeah, I'm taking a break from YouTube this week. Just trying to chill, guys. I do a lot of things. So therefore sometimes I do lose track, but I'm tired. I'm not going to man. I'm tired. Like but I appreciate each and every person. And I can shout out a couple of names of some of my comments. Andy Lemaba, so appreciate that person. Umam Zuma, I really love the woman. My mother was always watching and never commenting. I'm TikTok, WhatsApp. I just want to love video. Madam, also one person who keeps me up to date with a lot of things. When sometimes I cut back. I forget the lady's name. Oh, Sonta, I believe us a blessing. Every time a blessing my drop, she lets me know. Shout out to Cross as a whole. I understand. Shout out to Living. If it's when you wanna make Cross the Living, you guys are fantastic. Support is truly one of the best, and it's so crazy. Like for real. And I said to you, I'll show you guys a video as to why Ntanda is living the river. Fortunately, Ngwatola my video is still living because they date back to like 2006-7. So I can't find my videos, but I have found my videos was a river. And na video on this channel, I don't think that was a river. Think I have it. Most of them, I don't think they even have those videos. But I'm just gonna play just one clip and from that. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. So yo, in the favorite of the Jupiter, adios.